Hi, my name is George Tasic, and I am the creator of the video that you are about to watch. The Pyrotechnics Guild International is an organization dedicated to education and the responsible use of pyrotechnics and fireworks. If you're not already a PGI member, I would urge you to join, participate, and to support your local fireworks clubs as well. For more information about the PGI, fireworks safety, and how to join, please visit www.pgi.org. Thanks for watching.
I'm passionate about fireworks because they're fascinating beyond belief. The idea that simple materials, paper tubes and chemicals can create such awe-inspiring art in the sky just fascinate me no end. And unlike other media where artistic expression takes some sense of permanence, such as sculpture and painting, I find the ephemeral nature of the fireworks effect painted against a canvas which is restored to its tabula rasa black sky slate is also fascinating, that it's very much an experiential art. It's for the moment. And I've enjoyed seeing what can be done and enjoyed having the experience of both making fireworks as well as displaying fireworks for various audiences.
It's a lot of fun, and when I'm done, multi-break, flash, pot, pyro club, 100 shots, set piece, the FBI, the ATF will make you cry. Chuck and Sharon magazine, best 6-incher we have seen. Spider web detonation, Girodandolas will fly. Bill Barr, Rayleigh, safety is the real case. State law, statute, weed, sport, lawsuit. Class C, Class B, bottle rocket, comet, break is low, afterglow, fire on the beeline. We all love the fire. We'll keep lighting to keep on lighting. We all love the fire. It's a lot of fun, and when I'm done, sodium, barium, rice, hull, lamp, black, silicone, steel, powder. How much can I really buy? Manganese, waterfall, maple, charcoal, bad weather, dark sky, in the rain, we all do try. Two duds bend their space, firefly, fuse cap, 20-pack Muskegon is a no-go. Red gum, ring effect, $40 CK, crackling comet, pyro, back to Fargo, we all go. We all love the fire. We'll keep fighting to keep on lighting. We all love the fire. It's a lot of fun.
The Pyrotechnics Guild International presents Fargo Firestorm 2007.
I'm American made, but a large Chevrolet. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it. We've been driving this road for a mighty long time, paying no mind to the signs. Well, this neighborhood's changed, it's all been rearranged. We left that team somewhere behind. You can't say around here, 'cause they'll catch you and give you a whipping. Well, I believe I was right when I said you were wrong. You didn't like the sound of that, now did ya? Slow down, you're gonna crash. Radio is screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. But look out.